Consider the following statements: A multiplier. A124. B234. C134. D123. The correct answer is 134. In the full adder denoting sum by S and carry by C. A-S1 when two or more inputs are unity. B-C1 when two or more inputs are unity. C-C1 when all the inputs are unity. D-S1 when all the inputs are unity. The correct answer is C1 when two or more inputs are unity. Each term in POS form is called max terms. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is true. When signed numbers are used in binary arithmetic, which of the following has unique representation for 0? A sign magnitude. B 1s complement. C 2s complement. D 9s complement. The correct answer is 2s complement. Which of the following characteristics is not true for TTL logic? A good speed. B low power dissipation per gate. C high cost. D none of these. The correct answer is high cost. In 8085 microprocessor, an interrupt service request is serviced. A immediately on receipt of request. B after the execution of the current instruction is completed. C at the end of the current machine cycle. D none. The correct answer is after the execution of the current instruction is completed. Which interrupts are masked? A 5.5. B 6.5. C 7.5. D none. The correct answer is 6.5. CMOS is extensively used in A pocket calculators. B digital wrist watches. C satellites. D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The Boolean expression for shaded area in the given figure is A ABC, B ABC ABC, C ABC ABC, D none of these. The correct answer is ABC ABC. 1,101.10112. A 115.228. B 115.548. C 215.548. D 100.018. The correct answer is 115.548. The given figure shows a K-map for a Boolean function. The number of essential prime implicants is A4, B5, C6, D8. The correct answer is 4. For the logic circuit given, what is the simplified Boolean function? AX ABC, BX BCA, CX ABAC, DX ACB. The correct answer is XBCA. An XOR gate with 6 variables is as follows: A B C D E F. The number of minterms in the Boolean expression is A6, B12, C64, D32. The correct answer is 32. Semiconductor ROMs are sometimes preferred to semiconductor ROMs because A ROMs are cheaper than ROMs. B ROMs are faster. C ROMs do not require power supply for their operations. D programs stored in ROMs cannot be altered either by the power failure or by the user. The correct answer is programs stored in ROMs cannot be altered either by the power failure or by the user. ROMs can be built with bipolar or CMOS transistor. ROMs that are not possible with bipolar transistors are A SRAM, B SRAM DRAM, C DRAM, D PROM. The correct answer is DRAM. Rupees latch can be built with A NOR gates, B NAND gates, C NOR or NAND gates, D none of the above. The correct answer is NOR or NAND gates. In D-type FF preset PR and clear CLR inputs are called A. Synchronous, B. Asynchronous, C. Data, D. None. The correct answer is asynchronous. Which memory is available in all technologies? A. PROM, B. EEPROM, C. ROM, D. EEPROM. The correct answer is PROM. For MSI TTL 4-bit ripple counters are cascaded to form a 16-bit binary counter. Its propagation delay is about nanoseconds. A. 70, B. 140, C. 210, D. 280. The correct answer is 280. The Boolean function ABC is reduced form of A. ABBC, B. ABABC, C. ABAC, D. ACB. The correct answer is ABAC. To convert JK flip-flop to D flip-flop, A. Connect D to both J and K, B. Connect D to J directly and D to K through inverter, C. Connect D to K directly and D to J through inverter, D. Connect D to K and leave J open. The correct answer is connect D to J directly and D to K through inverter. Read cycle is always followed by during instructions execution. A. Read cycle, B. Write cycle, C. Delete signal, D. None of these. The correct answer is write cycle. If Tp is the pulse width, T is the propagation delay, T is period of pulse train, then the following condition can avoid the race around condition. A. TPTT, B. 2TPTT, C. TPTT, D. TPTT. The correct answer is TPTT. In a Karnaugh map for an expression having don't care terms, the don't cares can be treated as A. 0, B. 1, C. 1 or 0, D. None of the above. The correct answer is 1 or 0. Which of the following pairs of octal and binary numbers are not equal? A. 111, 110, 112, 767, 8. B. 110, 110, 1012, 665, 8. C. 11010, 238. D. 10101.112, 25.68. The correct answer is 11010, 238. With a JK master slave flip-flop, the master is clocked when the clock is and the slave is triggered when the clock is A. Low low, B. High low, C. Low high, D. High high. The correct answer is high low. The communicating capacitor reduces turn-on time because A. It acts as an open circuit, B. It allows maximum base circuit to flow, C. It aids in removing the excess carrier from the base region, D. None of these. The correct answer is it allows maximum base circuit to flow. The output impedance of a logic pulsar is A. Low, B. High, C. May be low or high, D. Can't say. The correct answer is low. In a JK flip-flop, the input JK1 pulse is about A. Set, B. Reset, C. No change, D. Toggle. The correct answer is toggle. In a 4-variable Karnaugh map, 8 adjacent cells give A. 2-variable term, B. single-variable term, C. 3-variable term, D. 4-variable term. The correct answer is single-variable term. Binary 1000 multiplied by binary 1000 gives A. 10,000, B. 1 lakh, C. 10 lakhs, D. 1 crore. The correct answer is 10 lakhs. 11,101 2x 10,001 2. A. 1111010101. B 11110100, C 11110, D 11000110. The correct answer is 11110101. Schmitt trigger can be used as A comparator, B square wave generator, C flip-flop, D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Most of the digital computers do not have floating point hardware because A. Floating point hardware is costly, B. It is slower than software, C. It is not possible to perform floating point addition by hardware, D. Of not specific reason. The correct answer is floating point hardware is costly. Consider the following statements in connection with CMOS inverter in figure where both the MOSFET are of enhancement type and both have a threshold voltage of 2V. Statements 1T1 conducts when Vi2V. Statements 2T1 is always in saturation when V00V. Which of the following is correct? A. Only statement 1 is true, B. Only statement 2 is true, C. Both the statements are true, D. Both the statements are false. The correct answer is only statement 1 is true. The number of FF required for a divide by 12 circuit is A 16, B 12, C 8, D 4. The correct answer is 4. In sign magnitude numbers, A. The leading bit stands for the sign, B. The leading bit is part of the magnitude, C. The leading bit is always 0, D. The leading bit is always 1. The correct answer is the leading bit stands for the sign. In order to enable RST 5.5, RST 6.5 and RST 7.5 interrupts, which of the following instructions are needed? A. L only, B. SIM only, C. L and SIM only, D. none. The correct answer is L and SIM only. Digital technologies being used nowadays are A. DTL and MOS, B. TTL ECL CMOS and RTL, C. TTL ECL and CMOS, D. TTL ECL, CMOS and DTL. The correct answer is TTL ECL CMOS and RTL. A 7-bit code even parity 111101 may have error. The correct code is A 111101, B 111111, C 010111, D 11000011. The correct answer is 111111. A D parallel converter is also called flash converter. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Square root of 4 is A 1616, B 22, C 816, D 516. The correct answer is 516. Periodic recharging of the memory cells at regular intervals of 3 to 8 milliseconds is required in A ROM, B static RAM, C dynamic RAM, D PLA. The correct answer is dynamic RAM. The frequency of the driving network connected between pins 1 and 2 of a 8085 chip must be A equal to the desired clock frequency, B twice the desired clock frequency, C 4 times the desired clock frequency, D 8 times the desired clock frequency. The correct answer is twice the desired clock frequency. In 8085 microprocessor, in order to enable INTR interrupt, which of the following instruction are needed? A EI only, B SIM only, C L and SIM both, D none. The correct answer is EI only.